everyone, how's it going? It's attorney Tadisha Rowe bringing you another episode of Immigration Dream University, brought to you by American Legal Immigration Center in the DMV of the United States. I hope that you guys are doing well. It is October 21st. As I always say, this month is just flying by. So it is October 21st. It's Friday evening. I just wanted to do a very quick video because there was a notice that just came out recently about over 60,000 cases that were thrown out by immigration court for one reason or the other. Primarily, I believe, because of incorrect filing of the notice to appear by the Department of Homeland Security. So I just wanted to say to you all, if you have immigration cases pending with the Department of Homeland Security, there are different ways that you can check on the status of your case. You can do so primarily by calling the 800 number. That number is 800-898-7180. So 800-898-7180. There are a couple of prompts. If you hit 1 3 times, then it'll get you to your case information. And you can select either the English, which is the standard. If you want to hear the options in Spanish, that's another language option, then you can select that as well. And it's going to tell you the last action that was taken on your case. It's going to tell you if there is a hearing date that has been scheduled for you and what that hearing date is and the location. It should also tell you the judge that your matter is going to be in front of, but it does not always, but it should at least give you the location and the date of your next hearing. It also tells you the last action, as I said, that was taken on your case. And those are the primary and most crucial information that you need to have about your case. What you may find is that sometimes because of the influx in cases, you know, I can't even give a number right now because it's not going to be accurate, but many cases right now pending before immigration court. They're very overwhelmed, and they are doing a lot to try to implement new immigration courts. We have 2 now here in the DMV, whereas before, well, in Maryland specifically, whereas before we just had 1. And they're also implementing or appointing new immigration judges. And so they are working to fix this, but of course there's going to be some time or a lapse between when it's actually fixed and what we have to do in the meantime. So you want to protect yourself by calling the 800 number to check the status of your case. You may find that there's no information there because although you received paperwork saying that you are in immigration removal proceedings, they haven't caught up to registering you in their system yet. If you want more help with this information, there are NGOs or nonprofit organizations out there that do cater to assisting at least in the preliminary stages, and so you can check into CASA. It's C-A-S-A. CASA is unique to the DMV area, and it may be even unique to Maryland, but you can look into that. There's a national organization that's called ASAP. That is for, sorry guys, give me 1 second. That is for the Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project, Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project. And the website for that is asylumadvocacy.org. If you need basic help with your cases, they can point you in the right direction. A lot of these organizations are very overwhelmed, and so they may not be taking in cases, individual cases, unless there's a very unique circumstance. And so you will more than likely still have to find a private attorney, but this is just a way to get you started and to get you some of the resources that you need. All right, guys, so have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.